Well, if you haven't finished filing your taxes, you're running out of time. You have 3 days to get your financial information to the IRS, but work carefully. There are some new deductions and credits that can save you a few bucks this year. ABC 2 News' Lamont Williams explains.
April 15th usually means tax day. No need to panic, though, if you haven't already filed. You still have a couple of days of cushion. That's because the Emancipation Day is on the 16th, but recognized this year on the 15th, so
if they have not filed their taxes yet, they can still file an extension. Extensions are filed or good to be filed through Monday, April 18th.
When filing, make sure your preparer is up to date on the new deductions and credits.
This year, there's a Making Work Pay credit. A lot of people are missing that. That's a credit of $400 for the worker. On a joint return, it could be up to $800, and they're missing that. So if you were employed this year, you should be able to take that.
If you were laid off, you lost one advantage, but still retained others.
Last year, the government allowed you to deduct the first $2,400 worth of your unemployment. That is not the case this year, so people need to remember, do not deduct that $2,400. However, if you looked for a job, you may be able to claim those expenses in looking for a job, having your resume printed, and things such as that.
To save time and money, make sure you have all your paperwork with you. And if you're making major life changes, plan for those as well.
If you're going to get married or have a baby, or even if you're going to retire, you should bring in your taxes, your information, to have someone look at that. That'll help you in the ensuing years.
And make sure you use a preparer that will be around to aid you just in case you get questions or an audit from the IRS.
So you want them there to say, this is where I put this, this is how this was done, and they can tell that to the IRS agent who's there. You may not be able to, so you want the person who understands your tax return to make sure they're there with you.
In Baltimore, I'm Lamont Williams, ABC 2 News.